Okay, everybody, so good morning. I'm out here at this pin oak wood, and I'm just going to get this bucked up today in the video. It's pretty much what's going to be going on. I got two of these pieces of wood here, and they're pretty large size. I don't know, 35 to 40 inches or so. It's going to be some heavy bucking wood, but that's what we're doing today. And just so stay tuned, sit back, relax, subscribe to the channel, please. Like the video, all that good stuff. And I'm going to get going on this wood. We'll check in here when I'm done shortly. Okay, now I'm all gassed up and everything, and I hope I'm not yelling because I have ear protection in my ears and I don't have my microphone. So I think this log won't be too much of a problem. I can handle that pretty well. It's just going to be some really heavy wood. Yeah, no more talking. Let's get moving on this thing. Alright, I need to touch up my chain. It's not cutting right. It's a little bit grabby. I did adjust the rakers. I didn't measure them real great, but it started off grabby and it's not cutting real good. It's not cutting straight. I'm going to just touch it up with the Dremel real quick. Alright, I got that done now. I use the 7/32 bit on this Dremel, and I use that because the diameter doesn't stay 7/32 for very long now. As soon as you start using them, that diameter decreases. Before I got out here at home, I sharpened that saw, and the bit was getting down low and real small, and I think that was my problem. I should have changed bits. I didn't get a good edge on that top plate. All right, let's get back to cutting now. Sorry about that. Sometimes it's better just to stop and sharpen your saw instead of sitting here fighting this thing. That last cut, it started curving off to the right down on me, and I could see one side of my chain was kind of tore up more than the other. So something wasn't right with that chain. Let's see if it's cutting better now and we can get through this stuff. All right, now I just had to put a new chain on that saw. It wasn't cutting good. I don't know what's wrong with that, but I'm gonna deal with it later and give it a nice file at home. All right, everybody, I've been messing around with this thing and my saw's not cutting great. I felt like it was losing power, so I cleaned the air filter out on it. I let it rest for a little while, and I'm getting some black sawdust in here. I don't know if there's metal in there, but that's just some big hard wood. All right, you get a feel for what I'm doing. I'm signing off for today. I gotta get to work and try to get this stuff bucked up. Thanks for watching now. That's what I got. I don't know, rick and a half or so of wood, but I also bucked up some of this wood over here.